Hey guys, we are
back.
back with another video, and this time it is another recommended video from you guys, Sajik Thaba.
Thaba, by
He already
Intervis.
said that. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh no, why this color?
I don't know.
It looks bad.
Off. Oh, Chapri guy.
Oh no, don't say that. Maybe
Why?
I don't. No, he's Chapri. 100% with that frame, he's Chapri.
He's Chapri. Wow.
She's so pretty. She's so pretty. She is modest. She's
Yeah.
looking so innocent.
Yeah.
Why is she dating that guy?
I don't know.
just general question.
Look
GK.
at him.
General knowledge. GK.
He got the same swag like Dennis Jan.
He literally looks like he has been eating some pan masala for
Yeah,
several days.
exactly.
Bolo Zubak Kesari. Look at his lips, bro.
Yeah, man. Wow, she's so pretty though.
Yeah,
We have
man.
to admit it. Guys, she is
She's
pretty.
just drop dead gorgeous.
Yeah, I don't know why she is dating this guy. I don't know.
In this whole music video,
Video.
obviously, yeah.
Oh my god.
Even he dresses up like
Oh,
a 5-year-old. No,
No.
girl, you don't deserve him. Like, no, sorry, he don't deserve you. He don't deserve you. You deserve much better than this.
Yeah,
How many frames does he need?
I don't know.
She also dances really nice.
Yeah,
No, bro, you deserve much better.
yeah. Oh man.
Third time
He got the
this is the
lipstick, you know. He got that lipstick, you know.
It is probably lip stain, you know,
Yeah,
like those Korean lip stains.
yeah.
Why are we disliking that guy at the
I
same
don't know.
time?
I don't know.
But he is like, I don't know.
Comment down below. Is this guy Chapri or not?
Really, he looks like a chapri. This is the third time he changed his frame.
Okay.
Like glass frame. Do you see me change this? Do you see me? Do you see me? I have been wearing this for months right now at this point.
Yeah.
And I have power, that's why I
And
wear it.
actually, he know he's Chapri. That's why he's changing so much
Yeah.
to look cool.
No. He's with each changing frame, he is giving different personas of himself.
Yeah.
She smiles so pretty.
Yeah. I don't know. Right now, look. After she smile.
She smiles so pretty.
Okay. Look at her face now.
Look at his face.
Look at her face now.
She's not.
She's so embarrassed
Yeah.
for this music video.
Yeah. This is bad.
Yeah, man. I think he done some. You know, when we guys go.
Look
to
at him.
salon-
No, just look at him in this frame. Just the way he's looking at her. He's so.
I have to say one thing. When we go to salon, after all the shaving or all the cutting hair, everything done, then they do some face scrubbing or something.
Massage, face massage.
that can make your face really
Glowy.
bright and glowy. So I think after 30 minutes or 50 minutes, your face look dull and dark at the same time, and what is this? How can I say that he got that same look?
Okay.
50 rupees massage, and look at his face and his
Body color.
body color. It's not the same.
It's not the same. Probably he has had.
What?
He has had foundations.
Yeah, he
And
has.
that's not his matching color.
Yeah.
Guys and girls, it's for your own information. When you are using foundations, please match it with your skin here or here. Just this part. When this part matches the foundation color, that's your shade. Don't go for this. He looks so weird.
Yeah.
That's foundation. That's clearly a foundation that is
My
not his color.
God.
He looks so white.
Yeah.
Like he saw a ghost or something. She also looks white in this part.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I don't know, neither do I. Probably bad foundation set,
Yeah.
which is not her matching color as well.
Bad makeup choice, guys.
Yeah. Now
Oh
in this,
my
look at
God.
her face. Her face is matching now. Look, her face is matching
And
now.
his face is
and his
different.
face isn't.
Look like Robo.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, Robota.
And his hairline.
Yeah, man.
Everyone's hairline fades. Like mine too is fading. Look.
Yeah.
Mine too is fading. His too is fading.
Fading.
Look. Somehow it has a fading mark here, here. And his hairline is sheer, 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 sheer.
Guys,
Like what kind of
this is
hairline
not
is this?
good. This is not ethical for me.
Like
And
what
I
kind
don't like
of
it.
and what kind of
So,
hairline is this?
Please, those who are new, please subscribe because we
The
are
song
doing-
was good.
song was good.
E. Elvis did a very good job.
Yeah.
I heard his song before. He did a very good job then and
Yeah.
now too. But
Guys, don't do hate comment because we are doing hard work and dedication to this song.
if this was E. Elvis, then I'm
No,
really sorry.
It's not Elvis, I know.
You know?
Yeah.
That's good. Thank
so
you, God.
bye bye, have a great day and be positive. Because
And
we
if
are-
you are still watching, do like and also comment down. Either criticize us or you can just be angry at us and you can comment down. That too works. But comment down below. And also subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Till then,
then-
watch our videos and I'll see you.